problem.
So Koffee got her own custom shoes. She got it as a gift, and as you heard in the video, 1 of 1. So Koffee is the only person that have one of these. But before we take a look at Koffee shoes, check out the short clip from RT Nardo.
Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Send 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Left to the right back where she a stagger.
So the song is called Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. And that song will be released on October 1st. And it's going to be an RT Boss official Vivo at 3 o'clock. So now let's take a look at Koffee shoes and let's see what's so special about these shoes.
This one what?
Do the honors, sir.
Do the honors.
Please.
Huh? Tell me what you think.
A problem.
1 of 1, 1 of 1, 1 of 1.
You know see them?
Alive. Jesus.
No.
Customize them.
Talk to me now.
Miss Preach.
1 of 1.
Hey.
I wasn't on plan.
Thanks. I thought this shoe couldn't get no fresher. A problem, mommy.
So the shoes was a gift to Koffee, and it was from Legging Knits, and that's a Trinidad-based company that is based in San Fernando, Trinidad. So you can check out their website, check out their Instagram page. It's up on the screen right now. So what do you think about Koffee shoes? You like it? Koffee definitely like it. You can hear how she talk to the other person and tell him, say, "Oh, you don't see it yet." You see? So I like it. It's special. Got a little knitting thing on it. We never really get a close-up to see exactly what the custom features is. Maybe Koffee have her name on it or so. Most definitely she have her name on it, because you know, if somebody customize something for you, they might go put your name on it.
Please, thank you so much. I really know. Respect.
Oh my God, he's roping.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man, gratitude is a must. And I know what Koffee would have said. Next, I want to talk about Kranium. So, Kranium song were released from about 2012. Everybody know Kranium first hit song. Nobody know if you know.
Take off your dress. Nobody know if you know. Say me and you a fuck. Nobody know if you know. Say you a give it up. Nobody know if you know. Say you come over me yard. Baby, take off your dress. Every time you come here, act like you know and do it.
So the song is now a certified gold record. It's certified by the RIAA, which stands for Recording Industry Association of America. And they do certification on gold and platinum records and other things. All right? So they certified this record. That means it sold over 500,000 copies. More than 500,000 copies sold. So that's a big deal for dancehall. That's a big deal for Kranium. And that's a big deal for anybody at all. Even for me. I feel good for him. I feel happy for him. All right? So big up Kranium, big up Koffee. That's 2 international artists from Jamaica doing it big. Wanna big up on yourself. All right. Okay, before I go, I would like to tell you how you could win all of this free gift that's on the screen right now from our sponsor, Yardi Cosmetics. And Yardi Cosmetics is a unique cosmetic brand that is from Jamaica. It's a Jamaican-owned brand, right? So a Jamaican own it, in other words. That's what I'm saying. All right? So you could win all of this that's on the screen right now if you follow them on IG and Facebook and you tag 5 friends and hashtag Yardi Cosmetics. So again, follow them on Facebook, on IG, and hashtag Yardi Cosmetics. Tag 5 friends also. All right? And then we'll make you will win the gift and you will have this. And it's a very unique product, like I said. Product line, like I said. Because all the products that they have island names, and they have like the Patwa names on everything. So it's very unique. So check it out. Check out their page and check out their website also. At Yardi Cosmetics. On both Instagram and Facebook. And check out their website also at yardicosmetics.com. All right? So www.yardicosmetics.com. And if you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.